Want to start to blog and make money online in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. This video will help you navigate the exciting world of blogging, breaking it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and relax as we dive into the world of blogging. First, it all begins with an idea. The idea forms the foundation of your blog. It's what you're passionate about, something you could write about for hours on end. Whether it's cooking, fashion, travel, or tech, the possibilities are limitless. Once you've got your idea, you need to do some research. Look at other blogs in your niche. What are they doing? What works? What doesn't? This will give you a sense of direction and help you see where there's room for something new and unique. Now, let's talk about the technical stuff. You'll need a domain name and a hosting provider. The domain name is your blog's address on the internet, and the hosting provider is where your blog lives online. There are plenty of affordable options out there, so take your time to find the perfect fit for you. Next, you'll want to choose a blogging platform. WordPress is a popular choice due to its flexibility and user-friendly interface. It offers a range of themes and plugins to customize your blog and make it your own. After setting up your blog, it's time to create content. Remember, content is king. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content for your readers. This will help you build an audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Promotion is the next step. Share your blog posts on social media, network with other bloggers, and consider guest posting on other blogs. This will help you reach a broader audience and drive more traffic to your blog. Finally, let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to make money from your blog, including affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling products or services. Choose the one that makes the most sense for your blog and your audience. So in summary, starting a blog in 2024 involves coming up with an idea, doing some research, setting up your blog, creating content, promoting your blog, and monetizing it. It might seem like a lot, but with a bit of patience and perseverance, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Remember, every successful blogger started where you are right now. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep blogging. Your journey to blogging success starts now. Good luck.